Thank you so much po sa papatuloy po ng mga endeavors po ngayon kahit panahon po ng pandemic. Marami po ang natutuwa po at patuloy po ang FDCP sa kanila pong mga advokasya. Ngayon po, Charlisa, gusto ko lang pong kunan po ng insight po kayo. Doon po, di po ba ngayon we're living in the digital age po, di ba po? Pero hindi ginagamit po natin itong digital po, hindi lang po para sa mga bagong pelikula na ginagawa, kundi para din po ibalik yung mga pelikula po na noon po ay napaglipasan na po ng panahon through the restorations. Ano po yung masasabi niyo po dito, Charlisa?
We're really seeing a new wave of bringing back a new wave of distribution of Filipino films with this new platform. So I applaud ABS-CBN sa Gipelikula and their goal to restore titles na in-enjoy sa sinehan pero idinadala sa platform na ito. So doon natin nakikita na hindi tayo nauubusan ng audience. Kahit pa gaano kalaki yung kinita ng pelikula sa sinehan, there will always be an opportunity to find new audiences or to find audiences that love those films and would want to watch it again. And I think malaking bagay is because the streaming space, the streaming platforms is creating that for us that behavior para sa atin as consumers. Na ang tinitignan natin hindi ano bang bagong pelikula ngayon. Yes, it's a thing, pero you saw how the Friends reunion was so big recently because their memory, it creates that memory, their memory of Friends being something na talagang in-enjoy nila, minahal nila, niyakap nila, hindi bago, wala aabangan nila, pero that was what they were clinging on. And nakikita natin yan ngayon sa mga lumalabas na titles na napalabas na, pinanood na, pero binabalik natin. I mean, and that's so apparent in a lot of the new films, the restored films that's being done by ABS-CBN and FDCP as well, because marami din po kaming mga nire-restore ng mga pelikula. Kakatapos lang po namin ng Achay. So, finally, excited po kami para ipalabas ito because this is directed by Eddie Garcia and of course starring Nora Honor.
Opo. And kumusta po ito pong fever din ako? Ano po yung status po nito? Restored din po ba ito?
Yes. I had it was one of the films na napanood ko, I think, in UP Film Center. I remember in-invite ako nun ni Sir Leo and Danny Giles. Ito films, napakaganda. At talagang doon mo makikita, syempre as an actress, anong tinitignan ko doon, yung batuhan nila nung panahon na yon, ibang-iba sa ngayon eh. Yung kung paano ini-imbibe yung mga characters, anong klase ring trend meron pagdating sa pag-embody na role. So it's going to be exciting for a lot of the Vilmanians and Noranians for sure.
And aside from this po, itong pelikula, magkakaroon po ba, Charlisa, ng isa pong film fest or event na puro restored films naman po yung ipapalabas natin?
Very good. Actually, that's something that we can definitely consider. I don't know how many restored films we have na LGBT theme, but definitely maybe an international showcase can with that para makita yung history kung nasa na tayo ngayon from the time that LGBT films are being discussed in the past. That's a very that can be an added section in the next years of Cinemalaya. So kukunin ko yung suggestion.
Yes. And Charlisa, last na lang po. Hindi pa rin po nabubuksan ng mga cinemas, and ngayon po GCQ na po tayo, nag-stay po. Ano po yung masasabi niyo po? Ano pa po ba yung plano?
we're in touch with the cinemas kasi sinulatan namin sila for this year's PPP. And of course, dahil wait and see mode pa tayong lahat, hindi rin sila makapag-commit. And we truly understand, where they're coming from. So nandun lang kami, no, para maging kaakibat nila sa patuloy na pagre-represent sa exhibition sector to the IATF. Of course, we defer to the existing protocols and rules na kailangan nating sundin dahil kailangan natin maintindihan na yung COVID cases natin, kino-contain pa rin natin at ayaw nating masira itong nagagawa na ngayon para ma-contain at bumaba yung mga cases natin. So, but the FDCP, nakaantabay kami, meron kaming campaign, alam nyo naman yan, yung Nood Tayo ng Sine. Nood Tayo ng Sine is a campaign that will enjoin our public to understand how they can safely watch in the cinemas. Ilalabas natin dito yung mga nagbubukas na ng mga sinehan, and at the same time, it's a movement, it's a social campaign that would remind our audiences on the importance of a cinematic experience.
One more thing po, dito. Yun pong sa online, kumusta po status? Yun pong di po ba sa mismong website po ng FDCP nagpapalabas po kayo ng mga films?
Yes. Sa FDCP kasi right now, I would say na parang soft pa lang tong ginagawa namin. We're doing a lot of experimentation on how we can create support from the public. We're trying to look at price range. Maraming mga pag-aaral yung ginagawa natin para masigurado natin na sa full launch natin. So yung pinaka-launch talaga ng FDCP channel with all of its features and all is going to be in September with the Philippine Film Industry Month. So itong mga ginagawa natin ngayon, it's basically hosting a lot of these events. So in terms of revenue, wala pa tayo doon. But we have a consistent 12,000 plus subscribers, always supporting naman our initiatives. But in terms of converting every single event into paying audience, it's a work in progress. And magandang pag-aralan talaga siya dahil marami tayong local streaming platforms ngayon na malamang ganun din yung kinakaharap. Pinag-aaralan kung paano tayo makaka-capture ng audience kasi ang dami naman ngayon bigla na local streaming platforms natin, nahahati yung audiences.
Okay po. And message na lang po sa lahat po ng mga nagpapatuloy na po ulit ng mga bubble shoot tsaka mga taping po na lock-in. Ano po yung mensahe niyo po sa mga production?
I've been hearing a lot of positive updates coming from our film workers. Kung paano inaayos at sinistreamline ng ating mga production companies yung proseso nila. I just had some conversations with some filmmakers from artists na nasa mga bubble shoots, and talagang kailangan nilang mag-quarantine muna bago magpunta sa shoot na yun. So thank you po for prioritizing the safety of our workers. Yung safe filming program po namin, we're continuously breeding new safety officers na talagang magiging kaakibat nyo para ma-institute po talaga yung safety and protection sa mga production shoots. But for those naman po na medyo kailangang i-revisit, medyo nagkakaroon pa rin po tayo ng mga mga cases or nagkakaroon pa rin po ng outbreak, FDCP is here to help assist. Ano po ba yung kailangan nating i-revisit ng mga protocols para mas mabigyan po natin ng spasyo para maprotektahan po natin yung mga productions ninyo. Kasi, mahirap po talaga yung buhay. Ngayon, pag nawalan po ng trabaho ang isa during a shoot, damay po lahat, walang bayad. Tapos 14 days po, hindi sila makakakuha ng trabaho. So imagine niyo lang po kung ano pong nangyayari sa isang film worker na nagkakaroon ng gantong aksidente sa isang production. You're looking at least a month or more no pay situation, and hindi po nila alam kung saan po sila tatakbo. So pangalagaan po natin yan.
Okay po, thank you po, Shirliza, and the rest po ng mga members po ng FDCP, tsaka po yung kanila po mga katuwang. Maraming salamat and good luck po sa another activities. Thank you po.
Thank you po.